Hi, my name is Blake Winokur, and I'm the founder and owner of Rolling Hills Dentistry, where we not only offer the most cutting-edge technology, but we offer it in an environment that is calming, relaxing, and non-judgmental.
I think what really separates us is our focus on the patient experience at our office. It starts from the first phone call to their arrival upon our office.
The energy tends to be a little bit lighthearted. We try to make people feel as comfortable as they can possibly be. It's very important for them to know that we have their best interest at heart.
We offer all the services. We're doing preventative cleanings, we're doing whitening, we're doing basic fillings, crowns, extractions, implants, dentures. We basically do everything in our office. It's nice because if someone needs to have treatment done, we don't need to send them outside of our office. We have an oral surgeon that comes into our office to do some more complicated cases. We also have 5 hygienists, and that gives us the ability to keep patients on a consistent recall to prevent further issues in the future. We have 2 amazing general dentists that are experts with the CEREC technology, which is the same-day crown technology. We do everything in our office.
We are really looking forward to the future of dentistry. So we take a lot of time to invest in modern techniques, in modern materials, modern equipment to improve the experience for the patient.
We are heavily invested in technology, and it makes our office not only flow better, but it makes the patient experience so much better. Patients don't have to come back for so many visits. There's less time here in our office.
We are a very collaborative team here, and here with the hygienist, the assistants, the front desk, the other dentists, it's very important for us to work at a very collaborative approach.
The best part about working at Rolling Hills Dentistry, hands down, is the people. I work with such an excellent team, and every day is a privilege.
A lot of the stuff we do is very life-changing, and it's very rewarding to see patients come back and to really actually enjoy coming here knowing that we have no more bad news for them. They can maintain what we've done, and they look great and they feel great, and we're really changing lives in that way.
We're a phone call away, we're a text message away, so we make ourselves truly available.
Rolling Hills Dentistry is the premier office in the greater Danbury area, offering cutting-edge technology with top-notch service, delivering phenomenal results.